Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find database hostname in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, open your Cpanel and then open File Manager. Now click on Public HTML and here you will find this wp config.php. Right click on it and edit and scroll down a little bit, and here you will find the name of the database for WordPress, mysql database username, mysql database password and mysql host name. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. Thanks for watching this video.